Soggy Science here. It's our 7th one. We're getting there. Thank you all devotees and newcomers. Cool news this week. New fiery red coral in Peru, South America. Whoop! Found off the Isle of San Galen. And it's about the size of your hand. It was about 82 feet of water, or about 25 meters-ish. And Dr. Breedy is the guy out of University of Costa Rica that found it. So, neat news. Lots of new stuff being found this week. Not so good news. Another spill in one of our rivers in North America. This time in North Carolina, a whole bunch of coal ash. Levels seem to be dropping, but a power plant got a bunch of coal ash in the water. West Virginia, turns out there's two chemicals in the water now instead of just the one. Ugh, people need to fix this now. Keep that from happening in the future. Cool news out of Canada. Good friend of Soggy Science, Phil Newton. New exosuit. It's a slimmed down, more streamlined, easier to use version of the old 1 atmosphere suits. And the cool thing is you stay at surface pressure. So you can dive up to 1,000 feet in this thing, do a lot of work. It's been used already and tested. And go down. Want to go to the bathroom, you just come right back up. No decompression, no waiting for anything, and you're dry the whole time. So neat new technology out there in the marine environment to do commercial work, and maybe even someday, if you have $600,000, you too can dive with no need to worry about decompression. Of course, you probably need the vessel to help support it as well. But good job, Phil. Looking forward to checking it out. Oh, Western Australia. Shark call continues. And boy, is the news of flooding this week. Small sharks caught and dead. Supposed to be only taking 3 meters or longer. Misidentified sharks. Controversy over environmentalists getting potentially arrested. Oh, guys, I think the money's better spent elsewhere, as I've said from the beginning. Plus, science doesn't back you up that it will work. Anyway, the saga continues. Salmon. Pacific salmon. Very cool. Apparently they're born knowing where to swim. Their magnetic senses of the magnetic field of the earth seems to be inherited. So that's exciting news and should bring some interesting developments and hopefully prolonging and keeping the species growing rather than having issues with it, because especially Chinook, not in such good shape this season. But David Noakes out of the Oregon Fisheries Research Center came up with this pretty innovative research, and I look forward to hearing more from you. Good job, buddy. New species of deep diving beaked whale. Oh, you think in this day and age, big, huge mammals would not be new to us, but the beaked whales tend to hunt in deep water and stay out in open oceans. There are 22 known species now, but we only know them from strandings. So hopefully innovations in science and some of our more modern techniques might give us better information about them soon, but appears to be a new species. Always cool to see new and meet new stuff. So hopefully we can get out there and learn more about them. A teeny minnow is the first fish off the endangered species list in North America. Whoop! Again, out of Oregon. Go Oregon this week. It's being removed because it's recovered, and it's a teeny little fish. But apparently, because it doesn't get in the way with big commercial interests, it wasn't that difficult an effort. But good on you guys. Another win out there. We can do good if we try. Anyway, subscribe. Check out social media, send your feedback, send suggestions, and I'll see you next week. Get out there, get wet, and get soggy.